Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 69 Chevelle project car. Actually got a little dent in the front cowl. Paint's just faded. This is a car that come out of western South Dakota, so pretty dry old car. It's got a little bit of rust there on the bottom fender. Windshield's broke. Door all looks good. Rocker looks pretty good. Floor will need work. Need pans in the floor, which is pretty typical. But it's all complete. Seats all there. Will need to be obviously refinished with headliner and door panels and everything else. But pretty dry old car. This one a little bit right there, which you guys can do. A little repair panel needed right there. Bumper. Everything looks pretty good. And then the same deal here, just gonna need, you won't need full quarters, just need a little bit of work around that. And then of course the bottom of the fenders. They make little repair panels for both of them. So this was a manual car. Actually a 3 on the tree, so I think it's got everything if you want to put in a 4-speed and or 5-speed or even a 6-speed. But so great project car, good one to start with, nice and solid, except for the floors need some work. 605-695-73